Dream on. What are your goals? How are you doing to get there? Negative self talk hides the roadmap to success and distracts you from possibilities. It wants to trap you in the past, not allow you to attain some incredible future. In fact, the only way past this kind of negative self talk is through dreaming big. Start by choosing a goal, something you believe in, that you've always wanted to do. But you don't stop there, as negative self talk is great at ripping up dreams when they stand alone. From there, you need to create a plan of attack. What steps do you need to take to reach your goals? Why so much detail? Every step you list is the answer to another unspoken question. Negative self-talk loves to play devil's advocate and find all the flaws in the plan. The more you have answers, the less negativity has to say. In fact, positive self-talk begins to form in its place, answering every question and doubt. Negativity no longer stands a chance.